Are you looking to elevate the style and safety of your space? Do you struggle with outdated handrails that compromise both aesthetics and security? Introducing our frameless glass handrails, the perfect solution that seamlessly blends elegance with functionality. With sleek, transparent designs, these handrails provide an unobstructed view, enhancing the beauty of your home or commercial property. Installation is quick and hassle-free, allowing you to transform your environment without disruption. Whether it's for a staircase, balcony, or deck, these handrails serve as a stylish barrier while maintaining an airy feel. Plus, they're easy to clean and maintain, making them a practical choice for any setting. Don't compromise on design or safety. Choose frameless glass handrails for a modern upgrade. Ready to enhance your space? Contact us today for a consultation and start your journey toward a safer, more elegant environment. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.